Alright, this is John When You Do It. In this video we're going over the digital tread depth gauge. I recently had my tires rotated and now I want to check the depth to keep track of them. So this is the digital tread depth gauge. And it has a battery already in here, it looks like. Okay, so there is a battery in there. So let's do mode inches, and then there's millimeter. So that's in the millimeter setting. So we'll use this to push down. So we'll insert that there. And now we can see we're 8, which is around the reading you want to be. You want to be around 8 or 9 millimeters for safety. So we can do it between. Yeah, so right now we're at about 8 millimeters. Let's try that again. 7. Around 7.6. 7.4. Zero it out again. So it's zeroed. We'll hit this button to zero it. We'll do another test. 7.9, so close to 8. .75. So I just want to make sure I'm zeroed. So to zero it, I get it on the flat part of the tread, press it down, hit the zero button, and I'll do it once more. Yeah, 6.6.